Hey y'all, what's up everybody? Today I'm making a video about coloring my locks red, and the reason I chose to do this is because my birthday is coming up and I've been wanting to color my hair for a little while, and I just picked today to do it. So with that being said, I watched a few videos of other people coloring their locks red, and I noticed that they use a brand called Adore. It's a rinse, meaning it's not a permanent color. It'll rinse out after a couple of shampoos, which is good for me because I'm still a little apprehensive about color. I always have been, but at least I know the rinse is gonna rinse out. And so yeah, I looked that up. I noticed some people use the color crimson red, some people use the color ruby red, but I've seen people mix both of them together, and I like when they mix both of them together because you get this vibrant, like a two-tone red. You can see it really good. So that's what I went to the store, and that's what I bought. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing today, and I just want to put a disclaimer. This is what I'm doing on my hair, and I'm showing you guys the turnout. If you decide to do this on your hair, that's what you want to do, and you are responsible for your outcome. You're responsible for your results. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just showing you what I'm about to do, and we're gonna see how it turn out. So let's see what we're gonna work with. Okay, I'm gonna be using gloves. I'm gonna need a shower cap to process. These are the two colors that I'm using. Like I said, Adore 68 Crimson. I got it from the local beauty supply. It is a semi-permanent, meaning it's a rinse. It was $4.99. And the other color is Adore 64 Ruby Red. Shout out to the girl. Like, if you look up coloring locks red, she like the first result that pop up. I forgot her name, but she has really long, beautiful locks, and she used both of these colors, and her red was gorgeous. So I'm trying to do what she did, so that's why I got these. I also have a bowl to mix it in, and I have my beaker because I don't have that many locks I want to color, and if I can, I'm gonna save some left over. So I'm gonna use half of this, and I'm gonna use half of this, but I'm gonna measure it in my beaker, so I know that I have the exact amount left over for next time if I want to do red again. I also have a little brush to mix it. I actually had a baby whisk. I don't know what I did with it, so I'm just gonna mix and apply with this brush. I have some combs because after that I'm gonna retwist my hair too. And then this is my little t-shirt. I just dried my hair with it, but I'm also going to be putting the color on here, mixing it, because my counters are white or very light gray, and I do not want to get color. I do not want to get color all over my counter. So let's start mixing and let's see how this goes. Okay, so what I'm about to do is, like I said, I'm going to divide these colors in half because I'm saving some for next time. I like to save anywhere I can. So this bottle says it's about 4 ounces, so I'm gonna do 2, measure out 2 in my beaker. Let me put it on my shirt like I said. Okay, so okay, this is the crimson. I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty red. So that's 2. now I'm going to measure out 2 ounces of the ruby red. Oh, it's got a thing on it. I should put my gloves on. Oh well, let's do it. Ooh, that's real red. Like, that's real red. So I'm still gonna do 2. It's about right there. I should have put them gloves on. I'm gonna pour this in my bowl. Okay. Let me try and get the rest of it out. Yeah, that was a lot. Now we're just going to mix. Let me just put this over a bit. I'll get a little messy. Okay, so now that the color is mixed, what I'm going to do is put it on my locks. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I know y'all like, how she gonna be scared of color and she already got lightened locks? Look, it took me forever to even lighten them. I didn't even do my whole head. I only did just the front and just the tips, and I didn't even leave it on that long, so they're not even blonde. They like, they need some toner. They like orange, like, no. But I've been walking around with this color just trying to get used to being some color on my head. So there's that. So if you're doing this on black hair or your hair is not lifted, I don't know how the results gonna turn out. So we just gonna start on pre-lightened hair. As long as it's brown or lighter, or you know, just lighter than black, you should be able to see your color. So let's get started. If I'm looking this way, I'm looking in my mirror because it's hard to paint while I look at the camera. So let's just see how I go. Let's just put this color on. Let's hurry up. All right. I'm gonna start with this side so you can just kind of see me work, and then once I get the majority done, I'll probably stop the camera, do the other side, and come back and talk. Mind you, I just washed my hair because I just took my box braids out, so my hair is washed. It's still a little damp. I don't think you should put rinse on dry hair. I think you should wash it, let it still be a little wet, you know, and then put your color on. So I just want to say that first. Our hair is washed, it's still a little wet. Now we can put the color on. I'm just gonna put it on my little blonde ones. And I'm taking my time with this because I want to make sure I cover the thing. I'm not gonna press it in. I'm literally painting it on like you would paint on a toilet paper roll. I don't want the color to get in my lock. I'm literally just laying it right on top. That's how I did this lightener. I laid it right on top. I did not squeeze it in, press it in, none of that. I don't want this stuff in it, but I do want some color. So I feel like it's okay to just go ahead and just paint it on. Don't press it in, just paint it on. And then like that, I'm just gonna paint it back, cause just to get it out of my way. I'm trying to let y'all see because I feel like I'm all in the mirror, but I want y'all to see like I'm just painting it on like that. So if y'all can't see me, I'm so sorry. This is my first time making a video. And I'm gonna finish up the rest of these and come back in a bit. I'll be right back. Y'all, despite all my precautions about trying to stay clean with this red, laying my little shirt down, no, I still got messy. Messed my nail up, put red on my ear, got red on my sink, on my floor. Be careful. If you guys decide to do red, just know it's gonna get a little messy. It's easier putting it on than it is getting it off. So, despite all that, my little rant, I'm done. Put my little cap on. I'm dripping. It's pretty drippy. I was just gonna let it sit on there for about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. I'd have spent 20 minutes cleaning up, so I got the other half to go. And I'm going to rinse with cool water, because like I think hot water rinses the color out, what I've heard. So cool water, cold water goes best with color. So I'm going to rinse with cold water. And what else I'm gonna do? You know, just retwist, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all the color. I want to see it. I'm excited, a little nervous, because like it's red, like I said. I'm a little nervous about color, but it's about to be my birthday, so whatever. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm done processing, when I'm done rinsing. I'll be back. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be like this. Here's the red, okay? I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just went on ahead and just rinsed my whole head because I was about to do this retwist. So I needed my hair, it had started to get dry or whatever. I just want to start fresh, rinse the red out, rinse the color out, rinse my whole head, and y'all ready? It's red. It's red, like, I was not expecting the rinse to be so vibrant and so powerful. Like, it's really straight up red. I love it. What do y'all think? So, hey, all the fears that I was feeling, all that mess that I made, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's red. Okay, so now what I'm about to do is retwist, and I will show you guys how I look after it's all retwisted. But I'm pretty much feeling this color. I mean, a retwist is just gonna make it look more, you know, presentable, more neat. Although I don't mind when it's like this either, because it look full, because my locks not that long. But when it's like this, I get more length. But when I retwist, I get shrinkage. But I'm gonna retwist. If you guys want to see what I use to retwist, let me know in the comments below. Be nice. It's my first YouTube, my first video. If you like stuff, let me know. If it's something you don't like, I guess let me know. Just be nice, you know. I'm not mean to y'all, don't be mean to me. So with that being said, if you want to see what I use for my retwist, let me know. I can add that video up and share you guys what I do with our retwist. But for this video purpose, red, check. And I'll be back at the end to, you know, strut my stuff. But I like it. Crimson plus ruby red. What a rinse can do. I love it. This is exactly like when I said I wanted red. Like, this is red. Like, it's red. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done. Let me know if you want that video, okay? Or any other video. Like, I'm not against it. If you want me to do other things, let me know. All right, be back. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm trying to get in the sun so y'all can see this color. It's really, really red, and I really, really love it. This how my retwist turned out. This how this color turned out. Like I said, I'm surprised that it's this vibrant and it was that powerful. Like, I'm in love with it, and your girl is ready, okay? I'm feeling bold, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling cute, and I really like this color. So hit that thumbs up if you like the results, and mention any videos you guys want me to do down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to get on it. I'm new to this, but I'm gonna do what you guys want me to do. So let me know what you guys think. Yes for the color, no for the color. Just let me know something. Talk to me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.